here. Big up everybody watch me and I'm here to tell you how you know your country. Me come from country. Them when I come from where you come from again? You know your country is about being in a basin.
Dump them.
In the front land.
Lord.
It's a splash. And I use a rag and I ring.
Whoa.
It's a splash.
Whoa.
You know your country if.
Yeah, tell him. Yeah. Vince!
Yo, Papa, tired if I don't know Papa, see it down.
Bless.
You know your country if.
What?
You have a tank.
Talk now, man.
And just when the rain fall, you can pull it. You come from country if. You have to boil your hot water. Figure take a bath with hot water. You know, pay no truck to come round, come fill it.
For real.
You know your country if.
Charlie, I'm telling you, alright?
Oh, Grandma, I feel good.
I hear you coughing in here, man. What's wrong with you? Oh, God, man, you're burning up like a hot furnace. Oh, God, alright, just, Jesus Christ. Alright, oh, God. Alright, I'm going to give you something to heal it now. Come sit up, Charlie. Come sit up, Charlie. We have the alcohol. Sit up. I'm going to make you better with the alcohol. Come, man, come. Yes, the sickness. I'll sweat it out, you must sweat it out. Come. I'm going to get it out. Get it out. Wrap up. We're getting it out. This sickness has to go.
Thank you, Granny.
But tell them if I go out and pay a little, but I go out and if you need that from them. The big guy wants like some bullfrog.
No, Granny.
Wrap up, man. Talking I don't want to hear it. I make me hear you cough one more time. You see? Wrap up. Oh, God, man. I got big guy boy, I'm telling you, because try me in my yard, man. Wrap up, I said, wrap up. Come.
You don't like the Mohawk one.
Yes, I don't like him, all the big one right here.
What, Bill said?
Yes, you are. What he said, man? Oh, dirty thinking country, boy.
You know your country if.
What?
When the current cut off all 2-3 times a week.
I saw country man, dog.
Man, till I say, man, 3 times a week, like I cut off, man. You be stuck up on the candle and the peanut wall of them. I'll be a peanut wall around. And the peanut wall of them around, I'll be a story I tell, an auntie story around.
Yeah.
A rolling cap.
Yeah.
Your country if.
What?
Yo, she was shit na pit tiling. Your country if. Yeah, right, donkey.
Yeah.
If you are tired boat.
Whoa.
If you are feeling cold.
Yeah.
Yo, big up everybody right now. yo. Alright, yo, growing up in the country, you know, we do not country thing. If you come from country, what if you come from country? That one I come from uptown. He's a country bunker.
Country bunker.
Country bunker.
Country bunker.
Blood clot. Me tour. I must this bullshit. I'm in tour.